Tired of the same old boring ringtone everyone else has? Today, I'm going to show you how to personalize your Android phone by changing the default ringtone and even assigning unique tones to specific contacts. Let's get started. First, find and tap the Settings app on your phone. It usually looks like a gear icon. Scroll down and look for Sound or Sounds and Vibration. Tap on it. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Android version. In the Sound menu, you should see an option labeled Ringtone. Tap on this. It might also say Phone Ringtone. You'll now see a list of available ringtones. Tap on each one to preview it. Once you find a ringtone you like, select it and tap Apply or OK at the bottom of the screen. This will set it as your new default ringtone. Now, let's assign a custom ringtone to a specific contact. Open your Contacts app. Find the contact you want to customize, and tap on their name to open their contact card. Look for an Edit option, which might be represented by a pencil icon. Tap it. In the Edit screen, scroll down until you find an option labeled Ringtone. It might be under More Fields or Additional Information. Tap on Ringtone. This will open the Ringtone selection menu. Again, choose a ringtone that you want to assign to this specific contact. After selecting the ringtone, tap Save or Done. And that's it. Now you know how to change your default ringtone and assign custom ringtones to individual contacts on your Android phone, making it more personalized and easier to identify who's calling.